Ladies and gentlemen, over the past few days, I have been scouring through the internet day in and day out to find a new revolutionary AI method that anyone in the world can use to make $10,000 a month. In fact, the method that I'm going to show you in this video is personally developed by me, and it's unlike anything you have ever come across or seen before. Today, I'm going to show you a new revolutionary, groundbreaking and absolutely demolishing method that anyone with a brain can use to make as much as 10 grand a month. Let's get into it. So the first step of the game is we are going to use a business model called affiliate marketing. And trust me, affiliate marketing I believe is the easiest and the best passive income business model out there for anyone who wants to start a side hustle income. And here's how it works. We are going to join affiliate networks like ClickBank or Store24, where you'll find tons of different affiliate products that you can promote on the internet and earn up to $150 every time when you refer a customer to their product. So we're gonna pick a top selling product from ClickBank or Store24. Then we're gonna use ChatGPT to create a viral video script specifically tailored for the affiliate product. We're then going to use those viral video scripts and plug them into a free AI image generator tool which will create captivating images for our video. Then we're gonna copy and paste this script into a realistic AI voiceover. After that, we're gonna combine all the resources together and make a banger viral video for the product. Once you get the video, we're going to create a money page, aka landing page, specifically tailored for the product, which is gonna help us increase the chances of getting sales by 99.99%. Once we got everything together, we're going to use different social networks to drive traffic to our affiliate product. After that, we'll rinse and repeat, sit back and go with some pretty insane number. Let's get the ball rolling. So step 1 is finding a high selling affiliate product. For that, just go to ClickBank, and in case if ClickBank is not available in your country, you can use Store24 or any other affiliate networks. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using ClickBank, where you'll find tons of high selling products and earn up to $150 every time when you refer a customer to their product. So sign up as an affiliate, then you're gonna land on this page where you'll find all these high selling products. So our goal is to find the top offers. For that, I'm going to select this one because it has over 573 gravity score. That means 573 people have been making money promoting this product in the last 30 days. So the higher the gravity score is, the more likely you'll make money out of this offer. And if you take a look over here, you can see they're paying us $148 per conversion. And if I click on the product page, you'll see that it's a weight loss offer. So this one right here is the product, and if I scroll down, you'll see that there's the add to cart button. Now to create your affiliate link, you simply have to click on promote, then it's gonna ask you to enter your affiliate ID. So I'm gonna enter my affiliate ID and hit generate hope link. So this is your affiliate link. So every time when someone clicks on this link and ends up buying the product, you're going to be making $148. So let's copy this link and open it in a new tab just to see what the website looks like. And there we go, it's a video sales letter which is specifically designed to sell the product. So I'm going to open my notepad and paste it for later use. And now it's time to create those viral video script for this product. For that, we're going to be using ChatGPT. Now do not skip this part because this is the most important part, where you learn exactly how to create video scripts that will go viral across all social platforms. Now what we are going to do is give a right prompt to ChatGPT about the product. Now if you just give some basic prompts to ChatGPT, it's gonna give you some boring scripts. So we have to be very precise when it comes to creating viral scripts. Now what I've done is I have spent 10 hours of myself creating 10 different ChatGPT prompts that you can just copy and paste into ChatGPT to come up with viral video script in a matter of seconds. And I want to give it to you all for free as a small help, so you don't have any barriers holding you back from making money. So the ChatGPT prompt document will be down in the description below, so grab it after you watch this video. Now before you start writing the prompt into ChatGPT, I highly recommend you to know what the hook the product is using. For that, we'll go back to the video sales letter, and if I move my mouse cursor out of the window, you'll notice a pop pop-up will appear that says, "Wait, in just a minute I'll reveal a weird Mediterranean ritual to dissolve fat 24/7. I don't know how to pronounce that, so this one right here that says weird Mediterranean ritual is the hook that they are using to sell the product. So I recommend you to note down the hook because we are going to use this in our script. Alright, so once you get the hook, it's time to write the prompt. So right here, my goal is to make a video ad script for a weight loss product. The script should act as a short form content that pushes to a video sales letter where people will buy the product. This is a weight loss product. The hook and mechanism is ancient Mediterranean ritual. Now create a script with the starting line, "Have you ever wondered why blank?" Well, it's actually because of the blank. Then give them a piece of valuable knowledge about this diet and close the script with this line, "Egyptian scientists have recently uncovered an ancient Mediterranean ritual that studies shows can deliver 11 times better fat loss results than the diet itself. Plus, this ancient Mediterranean ritual naturally purifies and detoxifies the body at the same time. Go to the link in bio to see how and why it works so well." Then hit enter and it will create this banger video script for the product. I want to take a moment just to remind you again that this is not some generic script. This script is architected with a proven science of direct response marketing or copywriting. So just know that what you'll get out of this prompt will not just be a viral video script but a money-making script. And you'll notice that if you take a look over here, it also gives us different scenes ideas to come up with the captivating AI images. So what I want you to do is just copy each part of the script and paste it into Google Documents, and also make a separate document for the scenes and just copy and paste it one by one. Once you do that, it's time to create AI images. So go to playgroundai.com. It's an amazing free AI image generator. Once you're inside, just click on create. Then it will give you this square frame with a prompt text where you'll describe exactly what you want in your image. So what I'm going to do is go to Google Docs and copy the first scene prompt, then come here to ChatGPT and write here create a Midjourney prompt for this, and then paste the scene and hit enter. It's going to give you the exact prompt for our AI image generator tool. So I'm going to copy it and then come here to Playground AI, paste the prompt here and then select the filter option, choose the dream shaper and then hit generate. And voila, it will create these captivating images for your project. Once you're happy with the image, just drag this frame to the right, then right click on the image and download it. Do this for all the scenes one by one, and voila, it will create all these images that we can use for our video. Alright, once you get the images ready, it's time to create our voiceover. For that, I'm gonna use 11 Labs for realistic AI voiceover, and on top of that, it's absolutely free to use. Just copy the script from Google Docs and paste it over here. You can also play around with the type of voice you want. I'm going to choose Adam, then hit generate.
Have you ever wondered why some cultures seem to effortlessly maintain their health and vitality? Well, it's actually because of the wisdom hidden within an ancient Mediterranean ritual.
And geez, that sounds phenomenal. So I'm going to download this video, and now it's time to edit our video. So head over to CapCut, and if CapCut is not available in your country, you can use your VPN to download it. So I'm going to click on the new project and then simply click here to import files. Upload the images and voiceover. After that, drag and drop the files into the editing timeline and then click on this ratio type and change the ratio to 9:16. After that, click on the first image and then increase the size of the image and fit it to the screen. Do this for all the clips, and once done, adjust the images to match the video clips. Then simply click on the first image, slide the image to the right, make a keyframe, then drag this line to the end of the image and slide the image to the left and make a keyframe again. Once you do that, you'll see that it will create this awesome slide animation. So do this for the rest of the video, then click on this transition tab and it's going to give you all these amazing transitions you can use in your videos. So choose a transition you want. I'm going to select this mixed transition. Simply drag and drop this transition between the two clips and it will create this amazing transition. So do this for the rest of the video so it looks engaging. After that, it's it's time to add captions. So just click on this text, click on the auto caption and then just hit create. And in a matter of seconds, CapCut will create this automatic caption for your video. As you can see, it has created all these done for you captions. Now to make it more engaging and nice, what you have to do is click on this font type and change it to the bold font. Then increase the font size, scroll down and change the color to yellow. Then scroll down again, click on this stroke box so it looks awesome and way more engaging. Then click on this caption tab and start breaking it down into bit sizes. To do that, simply select the part where you want to break it down and then hit enter. Do this for the rest of the caption and it will create this 2-line text caption which is way more engaging. Once done, click on the export button and export the video file.
Have you ever wondered why some cultures seem to effortlessly maintain their health and vitality? Well, it's actually because of the wisdom hidden within an ancient Mediterranean ritual. In the heart of the Mediterranean, a secret diet practice was discovered, a knowledge passed down through generations.
So as you can see, it has created this banger viral video in a matter of minutes. Once we got the video, now it's time to build a money page aka landing page. Now pay close attention because this is where we're going to create a landing page where all the money is made. So head over to system.io or click the link in the description below, then you're gonna land on this page. It's a free landing page builder tool. So click here to get started, then you'll land on this page. So click on funnels, click on create, then it's gonna ask you to enter your funnel name. I'm gonna write here weight loss, then click on custom and save it. After that, click on this project, create a step and give it a name. I'm gonna write here weight loss again. Then choose a step type and select switch pages. It's going to give you all these templates you can choose from. I'm going to select this one and it's going to take you here. So click on this edit page and then you'll land here and start building the landing page. So delete everything because we'll start from scratch. So drag this headline and drag this image, scroll down and drag this button. Now click on this headline and write here, scientists discover how this weird Mediterranean ritual burns LBS in weeks. It's not looking so good, so I'm gonna click on the font type and change the font to Google font and select Poppins. Then highlight everything and hit Ctrl+B, and if you're on a Mac, hit Command+B. Once you do that, it's gonna make the headline look bold. Then increase the font size to 50 and the line height to 60. Then highlight the text and change the color to red so it sticks to the eyes. Now it's time to add an image. So go to ClickBank, click on the affiliate page, scroll down and click here to video at creatives. This will give you all the documents including videos, thumbnails, you name it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this one and download it. After that, you're gonna come here to Canva, upload the image and drag it to the editor, duplicate it, do some editing and download the image. Once you're done, come here to system.io, click on the image, click here to upload and upload the image. Then decrease the size of the image so it looks professional. Then scroll down, click on this button and change it to open URL. Scroll down to where it says button text, you're gonna change that to show me how. Then increase the font size and change the font style. Once you're done, down here you'll see the subtext. You can write whatever you want, but in this case I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to clear this out. Then scroll down to where it says background color. You're going to change that to whatever you like. I like the yellow because it creates more curiosity. Also change the text color to black so it sticks to the eyes. Then you're going to open your notepad, copy your affiliate link, click on this button and paste your affiliate link over here. Also do this for the image as well and paste your affiliate link over here. Once you're done, click on this pop-up and make sure to delete it. Otherwise, a pop-up will appear every time when someone visits your landing page, which is kind of annoying, so we don't want that to happen. Then you're gonna drag this text over here and write here, The information provided on this website is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as a medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional and yada yada yada. So if you want this disclosure, make sure to take a screenshot of it, which is super important to disclose it on your landing page if you are promoting any kind of weight loss or health products. And now let's get to the point. So once your landing page is ready, just hit save and exit. So this one right here is the link to your landing page, and if you notice that it spells my name. So how are you gonna change that? Well, it's actually quite simple. Just go to settings, go to the custom domain, edit it and change it to something like weird Mediterranean ritual, then hit save. Now click on the funnel and you'll see right here the domain is now changed. So I'm gonna copy this link and open it on a new tab just to see our landing page. And voila, it looks amazing. And if I click on this button, guess what? It's gonna redirect us to the main affiliate offer. So open your notepad and paste your landing page for later use. Now it's time to create branding across all social platforms. So what I've done is I've created multiple brand pages on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Facebook. Because the more brand pages you have, the higher the chances will be for your videos to go viral. And this is exactly how you can dominate all of your social platforms and start making money. So start uploading the videos across all the social platforms, give some hashtags and tags to target your audience. I recommend you post consistently because sooner or later you'll find a viral video that's gonna take off and will start making you money in passive income. And if you want to learn how to make at least $1,000 a day through YouTube ads, then I highly recommend you go to incomeinsider10x.com or click the first link in the description below.